When we talk to owners about ambulatory detox, the biggest resistance usually isn't the money, it's capacity. They're thinking, my leadership is tapped out, my admin is buried. The person running billing or the business side is already doing 3 jobs. We can't survive adding one more complex program. That's a fair concern. Ambulatory detox has moving parts. Daily patient check-ins, protocol steps, billing events, documentation, compliance. So we didn't pretend that away. We built our offer around that fear. When we install an ambulatory detox line, it comes with a training and reporting platform that tracks whether staff are actually following the ambulatory detox protocol, monitors contracted versus actual paid rates and underpayments on detox days, and keeps documentation and KPIs audit-ready in one place. In other words, we don't just give you a protocol and say, good luck. We give you the back end so your existing team isn't flying blind. If you've looked at ambulatory detox and thought, our people can't carry one more thing, the real question isn't, do we want the revenue? It's, could our current team realistically run an ambulatory detox program if the back end was handled? That's exactly what we answer in an ambulatory detox assessment and review. We'll build a conservative 12-month ambulatory detox projection with your numbers, show how the back-end system would plug into your current stack, and give you a straight yes/no on whether your team and state setup can actually support it. If the answer is no, we'll say so in the first 15 minutes and end the call. If you want that level of clarity, click the link with this video and schedule an assessment and review.